Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, and we are going to have a lesson about mamas and babies. We're going to talk about the mamas, and then we're going to learn what we call their babies. So, are you ready to sing our songs? Okay, here we go. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning today. Yay! Do you remember how many days are in a week? Let's hear it. Anybody? I heard somebody. 7. Good job. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And today is a Wednesday, today is a Wednesday. What shall we do? What shall we do? We shall work and play, we shall work and play all day long, all day long. Yay! How about we count to 10? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, friends. 10. Yay! All right, we're going to start our lesson. Are you ready? All right. All right, so we are going to talk about mamas and babies. This is a mommy horse. Can you say horse? This is a mommy dog. Mommy owl. Mommy cat. Mommy pig. Mommy goat. Mommy raccoon. And mommy gorilla. Mommy horse, mommy horse. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby horse is called a foal. Can you say foal? Foal. Yeah, baby horse. Next, we have the mommy dog. Mommy dog, mommy dog. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby dog is called a puppy. Can you say puppy? Puppy. Done. Next, we have our mommy owl. Can you say owl? Mommy owl, mommy owl. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby owl is called an owlet. Can you say owlet? Owlet. Baby, check your mommy. All right, let's keep going. We have our mommy what? Cat. Mommy cat, mommy cat. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby cat is called a kitten. Can you say kitten? Kitten. So we're going to match the baby kitten to her mommy. All right, next we have our pig. Mommy pig, mommy pig. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby pig is called a piglet. Look how cute. Piglet. Piglet. Can you say piglet? Piglet. I'm going to match the baby to her mommy. Right. More. Let's keep going. Mommy gorilla, mommy gorilla. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby gorilla is called an infant, just like human babies are called. Like me and you, when we were babies, we were called infants. That's what we call a baby gorilla as well, an infant. Infant. So we're going to match the baby gorilla, or baby infant, sorry, to mommy. All right, we have two more friends. Now we're going to talk about them. Mommy raccoon's babies. Mommy raccoon, mommy raccoon. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby raccoon is called a kit with a T. Kit. Can you say kit? Kit. A baby raccoon is called a kit. So we're going to put the big kit with his mommy, or her mommy, or his mommy. All right, we have one more. That's like the mommy goat. Goat. Mommy goat, mommy goat. What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? A baby goat is called a kid. We're also called kids. A kid. A baby goat is called a kid. And they match. Baby to your mommy. We matched them all. See? Good job, friends. Baby, baby, baby animals. Baby, baby, baby animals. A baby horse is a foal. A baby dog is a puppy. A baby owl is an owlet. A baby cat is a kitten. A baby pig is a piglet. A baby gorilla is an infant. A baby raccoon is a kit. And a baby goat is a kid. Baby, baby, baby animals. Baby, baby, baby animals. Yay! Good job, friends.